Good morning, guys. It's ATL. What's me, guys? Let's go to the phone. Which is not doing anything for questions and anything. So, well, wait, now you guys me. Gonna go to men's breakfast this morning. So that's what I'm doing. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. So talk to you guys when we go to men's breakfast.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Right now, guys, I'm at Gene, so I will talk to you guys when I am done breakfast. So Dad and me are gonna go for a walk, you guys. Yes, Dad and me are gonna go for a walk, so that's what we're gonna do, going for a hike. So I just picked up my tires, so I have them at my place now. It's nice that I can still have my dad's, but it's so much work to come back here and then do like that. So I decided to get my tires, so I have them at my place, so it's easier. So I will talk to you guys when I get home. Hey guys, I just got home, you guys, and I'm gonna start vacuuming my car. I'm gonna clean up my car a little bit and start vacuuming because we want to keep it clean, nice and tidy. So we're gonna vacuum my car and see what stuff we need to put back in my house. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I vacuum. Hey guys, I just got done cleaning my car. I found some pretty crazy stuff, you guys, yes. Pretty crazy stuff that I had in the car. So I'm just putting some stuff inside right now. And then I'm gonna go try to go grocery shopping for some stuff. See what stuff we can do. And then probably going to go to a shop. I'm gonna get some tools for something. Big project this year we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put some stuff away and then I'm gonna head out in to do some shopping. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I go grocery shopping. Guess what I found on the middle? Like said it was free. Like there was a tag that said free. Look at what I got. I got some shovel and a hoe, you guys, yeah. For free, yeah. So that's pretty amazing, you guys. So I'm gonna use them. Why not? Somebody put it on the road, side of the road saying free, so why not pick them up? They're not bad shape either. Like they have a layer of scratches, but hey, it's free. Why not? So I picked them up for the garden this year, because I'm thinking maybe put in garden this year. I don't know. Haven't decided yet, but I'm thinking I'm going to do like that. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So that's what I'm doing. Also, I tried to get some seeds, but seeds are really, really hard to come by now. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Seeds are gonna be really hard to come by, so I am just getting ready for the big day today. Just relaxing. Really awesome. So that's what I'm doing. So I don't know what I'm gonna have for supper yet. I haven't decided yet, but I'm gonna do like that. So talk to you guys when I am thinking what to make for supper. Hey guys, I just got done my errands and I'm gonna make some meatloaf right now. I'm just going through my cans to make sure something, double checking everything's good. Just making sure that I'm doing everything right, making sure things are quite good. Ooh, I need to use that one up. So I'm gonna make some tomato meatloaf, you guys. Tomato soup meatloaf. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I will talk to you guys when I am making tomato meatloaf with veggies, you guys. Yes. So that's what I'm gonna be eating. So I'll talk to you guys when I cook it. Look how good that meatloaf is, you guys. Yes. Look how good it is. It looks so good with the veggies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give me a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video code. Bye!